Hi guys, in my previous video you could have seen how to create a domain and the checklist, what are all the checklists you need to create a domain. So let us see in this video how to configure the posting on the domain to publish your website. So if you see here, this is the cPanel. So this is the cPanel which you are going to get whenever you are buying a domain with the web hosting. So if you buy a domain, you won't get the cPanel, but if you get a web hosting space, that is a web space in your for your domain, then you can get the cPanel like this. So this is how it will look like. Only one option here it missing it was the file manager. So it was the important thing which you need for maintaining your website. So it was the place where you are going to upload your web pages. So since this was a demo website, since this was a demo cPanel, so all other things have been given here. You can just go to cpanel.com and there you can just select cPanel demo, and here you can just go and check out what are the facilities available in the cPanel. So this cPanel varies according to your package, because some website provider will provide only some of the options, that is most of the options such as front page extensions, network tools, cron job, PHP, site software for optimizing websites. Most of the things will be managed by the web host provider, so you need to be clear that you will get all these options. So for those things I have just shown you the cPanel and cPanel website where you can go and get a demo of the cPanel. So the left side you can see what are the directory switches available: disk space usage, monthly bandwidth usage, email accounts, subdomains, parking domains, add-ons, FTP accounts, mailing list, and the database details. Everything will be seen here, and here you can see backup wizard, web space, disk space usage, and the preferences. And about the mail, you can completely control your mails, and you can also have the security for your website, and you can also have your subdomains for your website. For example, if you have www.google.com, you can have mail.google.com. It is called as a subdomain, and you can completely list and check all the databases which you have for your websites. You can also check the bandwidth, analyze your web, and you can also check the logs for your website, overall visitors who have visited your website. Everything can be checked in this space. And now I am going to show you the file manager. Since it was just a demo cPanel, the file manager was not provided here. So for that I have gone to a next step, another one website provider, that is another one web hosting provider which is free to check, called as a 000webhost.com. So this is where you can get these things for a demo. That is, you need to log in with your account, that you can create a website. That is, you can create a website with their domain name. Only the subdomain name will be provided by you. This domain name was given by the web hosting provider. So if you pay, you can just change your domain name. So for a newbies, they can easily check what are the things can be done in the web hosting provider. So as it is, the things which can be seen are available here for free. So you can just go to this website. You can also check everything, what are the things which are provided here. So now I am going to go to the file manager option. So it was an important thing which you need to post, that is, you need to publish your website. So this is the important thing, that is public underscore HTML. This is the important thing you need for publishing your website. This is the place where all your website content will be stored. So now I'm just going to enter into the public.html. So if you see here, this is the web page which was by default provided by this web hosting provider. So now I'm just going to change, that is I'm just going to edit some details in this web page. So this is the default web page which was provided by this web hosting provider. Since I am using a PHP modules here, if you want HTML, you can just newly create the HTML, but before creating the HTML you need to know that whether your website supports the HTML. But most of the web hosting provider will support the HTML web pages, so you don't need to worry about. So if you want to have a ASP or .NET web pages, but you need to surely confirm with the web hosting provider that they will support the .NET web pages. So you need to be conscious here, you need to know everything before publishing a web page. So right now I am using a PHP, which is an open source program which is available outside. It was same as of the HTML, so you don't need to worry about for editing some small contents. So you just go to the edit option, and here you see I just edit and kept like that. So I am just going to type, this is my new test website. See, this is what I have done. I'm just going to save it. I'm just going to go back, and now I'm just going to visit this website. Just right click and go to. So if you see here, you can get your content in this website. So I'm just going to copy the website address, and I'm just going to paste it in my another tab. So here you can see my web page is posted. So this is a simple thing you need to know. And if you want some HTML content to be provided in your website, you can just go to Google HTML codings. Just opening 2 to 3 things. So here I'll just copy this thing, and I'll just paste it in my default.php. I paste it, and I'm going to remove this image. So just simply remove it. I'm also going to remove this page. I've saved it. Go back, and now you can go to this website. Copy it, paste it, and hit enter. So if you see here, this is a website. So this is how you can do it without any problem. 000webhost.com and cPanel.com. So here you can check for the free web hosting, and here you can check for free cPanel overview demo. Just note it down, or you can check it here. So I think this might be helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video. So if you have any doubts, you can just ping me on so that I can easily give help to you. And don't forget to check my website for more things. This is http://www.techian.in. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.